Hi, I'm Angela. I discovered Entelechea approximately a year ago, and it's been life-changing. um, so, Onakri specifically has helped me to let go of so much anxiety and pain and just a lot of things that were keeping me in the dark and down. And yeah, it just brought so much light to my life, and it's hard to put it all into words. Just you know, the lightness and the change that it has had, the impact has been exponential from where I was a year ago. Like, you would not recognize me whatsoever. So I refound my light and expanded on it, is the best way to put it. So, yeah.